All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading, so let's dive right in to the spot that we're going to be picking up at. So note, this actual private key will go here. Your private key, we explained this yesterday when we're adding our private key. So this will add the private key information directly to the command, but this is not a secure way of adding the private key information. It's something we never want to do. Now we will go over the proper way of adding the private key information to the Moccasin.toml file. Now this section is called Moccasin Wallet. In this section, we will go over the process of encrypting a private key. This is the section we will figure out how to deploy our contract without exposing our private key in a terminal command. Now, Moccasin has a built-in wallet system that allows us to securely store our private key information in an encrypted format. Now, we can find the information we need in the documentation using a link provided previously. Once on the page, we can scroll down to the section called Wallet Guide. Now, once in the Wallet Guide section, we can find the information we need to add our private key under the Encrypting a Private Key subsection. The description for this subsection is as follows. You can encrypt a private key using the wallet import account name command. This will create a key store dictionary or directory. It will prompt you to enter your private key and password. Now we can leave it there for now, and tomorrow we're going to pick back up, so stay tuned for that. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.